Scrapbookers, this is Megan and I am back today with a new layout for you. So this one is for the scrapbooking store design team and I am using their February kit. I was going to post this video last week, but that didn't happen because of all my medical issues, so I apologize. But here I am back this week. I was able to spend a little bit of time in my studio recording, and I am hoping to be back to normal and all that this week. So here you can see I at first picked out this blue paper with red kind of polka dots on it and this cut file. This cut file is from Cut to You. Gwen is one of my most favorite cut file artists, and this cut file was super gorgeous. I cut it out a long time ago and it's a pretty old one, but I will make sure to link it below. I cut it out a while ago because I was on her design team like, oh gosh, 2 or 3 years ago. It was a while ago that I was on her design team, but I never ended up using it. So I was going through my cut file drawer and I decided, you know what, I'm going to use this one. Because it's a Valentine's Day layout, and Valentine's is all about love and roses and just, yeah, being happy. So I picked out 4 different photos for this layout. Here you can see I am gluing the back of the cut file. I'm using an old Close to My Heart glue. I'm not sure that they actually have this glue. If they do, I will leave a link to it below. I think they've kind of changed up their glues in the last couple years. But it is one of those ones that if it dries, you can still use it and lift it up, and you know, it's like repositionable. Anyway, okay, so I decided to go with the pink background paper with red polka dots. I thought it's Valentine's Day, and even though it's a layout about my son, let's use pink and just have some fun. So I have 4 photos, like I was saying, and one of them is just a photo of the art creation that Tinian made. And on this year, I think this was 2018, I think Valentine's Day, it must have been on the 14th, or maybe it was right around the 14th. And so he was in 2nd grade, maybe 3rd grade. I can't remember. Sorry. I'm not very helpful, but I decided I wanted to go in and help his class and just kind of visit for a little while with his class during their party. And so I took the day off work because I think I was working at this point. Maybe I wasn't. I think that this might have been right before I got a job that year in 2018, because I think I got a job at the end of February, beginning of March 2018. So here you can see I did decide to pull in some arrows. They are wood veneer arrows from my stash. And I really like how this kind of points you in the direction that I want you to be looking at the photos. Also, I think I did this layout for a challenge for, I think it was Victoria Marie. I can't quite remember, sorry. It was a challenge from either Victoria Marie's virtual crop from January or from a January challenge in one of the Facebook groups that I am a part of. So here I have the photos. I decided to put 2 of them up at the top of Tinian holding the celery and stamping it down on the piece of paper, and then the 2 on the bottom I zoomed in really close and just cut out the part of Tinian painting the top of the celery or the bottom of the celery, however you want to say it is, and then the photo of his actual finished art piece. And I really love how this layout turns out. I've found that I like doing layouts where I have lots of photos, but then I break them up on the layout. So all of your photos don't have to be right next to each other. You can break them up, put them in different places, and then that also gives you more room to have a cut file like this one, which was pretty big, and I probably could have fit the photos right under the two bottom photos. I probably could have fit them underneath the other two photos, but I also knew I needed space for a title and embellishing and all of that stuff. So I really like how I broke up the two photo clusters. So here now I'm going to start embellishing this bottom photo cluster. I am using the sticker sheet that came in my scrapbooking store February kit, and I had so much fun with this kit this month. I'm not a huge Valentine's Day person. I mean, I love my kids, I love my husband, but we don't really celebrate it a ton. And so it was kind of nice to do something a little bit different this time. And I think bringing in the huge cut file kind of made this layout more fun for me. And I was able to just enjoy making this layout and using this very, very themed collection. So this is, oh goodness, I'm totally drawing a blank on the name. But I did post a photo of the kit, the whole kit. If you are curious about signing up for the Scrapbooking Store Kit Club, make sure you look at my links below in my description. I do have an affiliate link, which does help me out a little bit, give me a little bit of a commission. Seriously, not too much, but a little bit. So here now I'm trying to figure out what alpha I want to use for my title. So I'm thinking the title is going to be Forever the Artist, because Tinian has always, ever since he has been able to use a pencil or a crayon or a pen, he has always been drawing, writing, just anything. So here I bring in from my stash, a red alpha, and it was just a tile alpha for the word the. And then as I'm like playing around with this, the gray, or I think it was like a silver glitter alpha, this is where I decide I don't really like the silver. And so I bring in these floral alpha thickers, and those again are from my stash. I believe those were from a scrapbooking store kit from last year, and I don't remember which kit, but I got a bunch of these in my stash, and so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna use these. So I start putting them underneath the word the, but then in a little bit, and I'm not sure if I think I do change it up. Yep, here we go. I'm gonna decide, no, I don't like how long down on the layout, like how far it went down on the layout. So I decided to put it next to the word the, and that works out awesome. And I am able to embellish around the arrows where I have them now. And then I also add one of the little hearts from the upgrade kit, which is embellishments. My upgrade kit only came with 2. Just because of COVID and everything that's going on, we are having a problem sometimes getting all of the same embellishments, which is just kind of frustrating. But I did really like the embellishments that I got in my kit this month, and I had so much fun making this layout. I hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure you check out the website, and I will see you guys again very soon. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.